Hello everyone, I am Shivantika, legal intern at Lexis and Company for the month of June. And today in legal news, a PIL has been filed before the Kerala High Court, seeking directions to the central government to ban the operation of WhatsApp if it continues to deviate from the orders of the legal authorities in the country. So, the petitioner is a software engineer who has moved to the court citing national and public interest, alleging that the WhatsApp did not function in conformity with the information technology rules of 2021. So, the petition also claimed that there was a wide scope of manipulation at the end of the user, and it was not viable to trace the origin of the message being circulated on the application. It has also been stated that the WhatsApp refused to comply with the IT rules, citing that they are violative of the privacy of its users before the Delhi High Court. The updated privacy policy openly mentions that the application will store, access, and use several personal data of the users, including the battery remaining in the devices, which are grave violation of their right to privacy. So, condemning this policy, the petitioner claimed that the app lacks security and has been exposed to several bugs and errors over the time. A layman can even manipulate any message or media received by him and circulate it further to cause unrest in the society. This proves that the unreliability of the data circulated on the application. This is what the PIL read, and the petition also pointed out that in such instances provide opportunity for an anti-national element to send messages and retrieve information. Due to its end to end inscription system, which is a deviation from the IT rules, it was also impossible to trace the origin from these messages, letting these criminals walk away scot free. Also, advocate Vivek, Arun, Ashok, and Nina James appeared on behalf of as counsel of the petitioner, contending that the WhatsApp violated fundamental rights of the citizens that are guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. It was also alleged that the software posed a threat on the national interest and security. Also, the petition also was bought another interesting fact. It is contended that the WhatsApp had implemented a separate privacy policy in Europe in compliance with their laws. Yet, app refuses to comply with the laws that are Indian, that is the laws of the India, uh, which is a discriminatory approach by the WhatsApp. So, some important questions that were raised in the petition were that whether a corporate entity and its software application can be allowed to function in the country despite causing potential threat to the sovereignty, integrity, and security of the nation and its citizens. Second was that whether WhatsApp can be allowed to function despite lack of security and wide scope of misuse to the extent of its violative nature towards the fundamental rights, and whether the corporate entity can be allowed to bypass laws in the country in false claims. So the petitioner had submitted in the petition before the center that had banned a similar mobile phone application for acting against the national interest on a previous occasion. If WhatsApp failed to revise its technology to cooperate with the government, it was urged that a simple step be taken by the center. The PIL was admitted on this Wednesday before the division bench comprising of Justice S. Manikumar and Justice Shaji, and is posted for hearing on further of June 28th of June of 2021. That is this month only. That's it in legal news today. We will discuss further about the hearing on June 28th only. Thank you so much.